Well, the Kuttanad region in Alappuzha district is the rice bowl of Kerala and is known for its picturesque expanse of paddy cultivation. This area is today the main source of famous boiled rice of the state. India Today went on a backwater cruise with a few local citizens to find out what they thought about the campaign season. Take a look at this report.
Kuttanad has seen a dramatic fall in its economy. Once a thriving tourist region because of its picturesque backwaters, it has fallen on hard times after the COVID pandemic struck. Hotels have low or no occupancy. Houseboats lie moored without any business. When citizens cast their votes on April 6 in this region, the economic crisis of Kuttanad is bound to reflect in how the people vote.
When we talk about elections, definitely we should start with the COVID situation here. All of us know that the COVID is badly affected worldwide, especially the tourism industry. And if you take Kerala, it's not badly affected, but it's terribly affected because, Kerala is very much related to tourism industry.
Rising unemployment and low wages is a worry for the people living here.
Today's youth, they are facing a lot of unemployment. The last pass out students, 95% of students are unemployed. Okay. And many who have joined private firms are not having enough salaries. Okay. And many have lost jobs also. Okay. And many have taken bank loans for their own studies. Okay. And I don't think the government is focusing on any issues related to the youth.
They say benefits announced by the government have not reached them. Jobs and government support is what the people of Kuttanad are urgently seeking. LDF partner NCP is fielding Thomas K. Thomas, while the UDF has allotted a seat to Jacob Abraham of the Kerala Congress. The NDA has also put up a candidate in the constituency, which means there's going to be a triangular fight. But voters aren't sure of BJP's prospects yet.
BJP don't have much people here, much seats here, because Kerala is high literate state, and we have some practice of even the basic thing, food. Okay. So we are seeing other states where BJP is ruling. There are some bans on. They are commenting on what you need to eat, what you should not eat, what you eat.
It is just development that most of the people who have actually spoken to, be it in Palakkad, be it in Thrissur, and now be it in Kuttanad constituency, they are only looking for development. That is the vision. They hope that all the candidates who actually come canvassing for votes over here, and whichever party comes to power, focuses on one thing: jobs, focuses on unemployment, and change and bring about, simple development for the state. With video journalist Madhuwar, Nolan Pinto for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.